monster trucks.
Ready, Esme?
Ready!
Then on your marks, get set, roar!
All right, still dry. Your turn, Roy.
I'm a-comin'! Oh. Wow, that's cold! All right, still dry.
Roy. It's the monster case. We've got a monster to watch. Come on. Yeah! Yes! Today we're watching Tilly.
All right! Hey there!
Vroom, vroom, vroom.
Hello!
Esme, Roy, nice to see you.
Nice to see you too, Mr. Plink.
Oh, Tilly, your monster sitters are here.
Hi, Tilly. Esme, Esme, Esme! Yay! Hi, Roy. Beep.
Well, hello to you, too. Beep, beep.
Oh, Tilly, I brought you something. Is it a car? Not just any car. It's a monster car. Yay! Monster car! Thank you. Vroom. Don't you just love monsters? Beep, beep.
Okay, Tilly, have fun with Esme and Roy, and I'll be back soon. Beep, beep.
Beep, beep. Vroom, vroom, vroom.
Okay, I'll see you guys later. Tilly can play out here a little while longer, but pretty soon she needs to take a bath. You know what happens when Plink monsters get dirty?
Oh, yeah, I know what happens. At least, I thought I knew it. But now I can't remember.
Don't worry, big guy. When you least expect it, boom! It'll hit you like a bolt of lightning. Pick up dirt, vroom. Dump out dirt, plop. Watch out, monster car. Ooh, Tilly's already looking a little dirty. Maybe we should give her a bath now.
Good idea.
So, Tilly, we were thinking it might be fun for you to take a bath.
Bath time!
It's not bath time. It's playtime. Beep.
She's very convincing.
Okay, how about this? We'll play one game and then it's bath time. Yay! Game, game, game! Great. In that case, I challenge you to a race. Race cars! Yay!
Oh, I love a good race! The first monster, or human, to go all the way around the yard and cross the finish line wins the race. Racers ready?
Ready. It's on.
Then on your marks, get set, roar!
Hooray! Hooray! Last one there is a stinky plink.
Stinky Plink? Now I remember. When Plink monsters get dirty, they get really stinky. Oh, I can't let Tilly get any dirtier. Tilly!
Here comes Esme driving around the Swoozleberry branch.
Tilly, look out for those berries!
Tilly drives under branch. Vroom.
Oh, that's not good.
Esme's still in the lead as she drives around the sandbox. Vroom. Woohoo! Oh, yeah.
Tilly, wait!
Vroom. Beep, beep.
Well, at least she can't get any dirtier.
Esme and Tilly are neck and neck. This is one tight race. Catch me if you can! Honk, honk!
Tilly, don't drive through the mud.
And Did you see that? I was like, screech, until it was all...
Esme, there's something that...
Then I went around the mud puddle and... Whoa. Do you smell that?
Monster fact 576. When Plink monsters get dirty, they get really stinky. Like, majorly monster stinky.
Racing car. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Oh no! And now, Tilly is really dirty.
She kind of smells like rotten eggs and monster feet.
We need to give Tilly a bath now. Okay, Tilly, we finished our race, so it's time for that bath.
Bath time!
You're gonna love it. It'll make you so clean and fluffy.
And so much less stinky.
But I want to play. Esme play fire truck? Sorry. Roy play monster truck? Play dump truck? Monster car! Sorry, Tilly. You really need a bath. But I want to play. But I want to play. I want to play. Beep, 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 beep. Uh-oh. Monster meltdown. Got it. Shh. Okay, it's okay. Everything's gonna be all right. I know you're upset, but I've got something that'll help. It's a glitter jar. Here, shake it. Right now your feelings are all over the place, just like the glitter. But look, when the glitter starts to fall like snow, take a deep breath, nice and slow. Watch as it settles all around, and feel your body calming down. There. Do you feel any better? Yeah. Good. Beep, beep. Okay, Tilly. Now that you're calm, why don't you go pick up your cars? Okay. Roy, we need to think of a way to get Tilly in the bath.
But how? She doesn't want to stop playing with her cars.
Red car goes swish. Blue truck goes squash. All clean. Wait a monster minute. That's it. What if Tilly doesn't have to stop playing?
I'm listening.
If we turn Tilly's bathtub into a car wash, she can play cars and take a bath at the same time.
Esme, that's brilliant! Too tight.
Just a little... Oh, Tilly!
We have a surprise for you!
Is the surprise ready?
Almost. Oh, the flags are a nice touch.
Try this pool noodle.
The sponges look great. Ready?
Okay, Tilly, you can open your eyes now.
Welcome to your car wash.
Car wash? That's right. You can pretend to be a car and drive through the car wash to get clean. Yay! Beep, beep, beep! Get ready. It's playtime. Your car wash is right this way. Drive right up, don't delay. And don't forget to shut your windows tight. Tilly driving through the tub. Monster brush goes scrub, scrub, scrub. Cleaning every hubcap and headlight.
It's a car wash bath.
Beep, beep.
A car wash bath.
Honk, honk.
Wash all the dirt away. Getting clean while we play in the car wash bath.
Hello there, little car. Please drive under the mops and through our soaping station. Vroom, vroom. Driving under mops.
Yank this cord, pull this rope. We're covering your car in soap. Look at all the bubbles swirl around.
Soap and sponges, wash, wash, wash. Water going, splish and splash. It's more fun than driving on the ground.
It's a car wash bath.
Beep, beep.
A car wash bath.
Honk, honk.
Wash all the dirt away.
Getting clean while I play
In the car wash bath.
Vroom. Now you're so clean and fluffy.
Yeah. And you don't stink at all.
So, what did you think? I think I want to go again.
Oh, that was so much fun. From now on, I'm going to pretend all my baths are car washes, too. But I think I'm too big to be a car.
You could be a truck.
Oh, yeah, a monster truck. Vroom, 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 vroom. Beep, beep, vroom, vroom, beep.
You're my favorite monster truck.